Hello, ladies. We have a couple more patients to see. My name is Franklin Arthur Rose, MD. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon. I've worked on Kuwaiti princesses, Penthouse and Playmates of the Year, models and actresses.
Girardi flew to the Bayou City last month and had the surgery. The before and after pictures are featured in this week's Us Weekly.
Let's go back a year to last July. Vienna and Jake, her now ex-fiance, in a he-said-she-said scream fest. Their relationship lasted apart, a special addition to an episode of The Bachelorette.
Lord. I'm done with this. You are the meanest person I've ever met in my life.
A year later, Vienna on July 15th, and the nose she had hated most of her life. On that same day, she went into the OR with Dr. Franklin Rose, the Houston plastic surgeon who gave ET this immediate post-op preview. Now, Vienna reveals her new nose today on ET and in Us Weekly out Friday.
Yeah, baby!
And with that new nose, it seems Vienna also got a big new smile.
The moment he put the mirror in front of my face, I was like, oh my goodness.
Dr. Rose has spent nearly 25 years restoring youth and beauty to literally thousands of patients.
In plastic surgery, the plastic surgeon really strives for the best possible outcome. The only way to achieve that is to really put the patient's concerns paramount.
That he's done, he's made it look very, natural. I've been very happy. All my recoveries have been easy, and I would do it again.
A lot of information out there on the internet that you can find that isn't really trustworthy. So getting it right from him made me feel better, made me feel more confident about the procedure.
Dr. Franklin Rose says he feels comfortable operating on teens when his patients have the right state of mind, like Bergen.
But we do many patients post-high school on the way to college, or sometimes in the middle of high school. And if you screen these patients carefully and make sure that they're suitable candidates, well-adjusted emotionally, these patients for years have done very well.
3 weeks later, Caitlin is thrilled with her new assets.
They're perfect.
They are. They're perfect.
Good.
I can venture out and buy normal things like my normal friends at Victoria's Secret and other places I wasn't able to shop at before. I can't say there won't be any more, but as of right now, I'm very happy with where I'm at.
Everything looks super.
Tracy, for her part, says she loves her nose, but is sure this is the end of her plastic surgery journey.
I'm very happy with the procedures I've done, but there's no need to go beyond that.
Hello, it's me, Susie Hanks, and I'm here at Utopia Plastic Surgery and Med Spa. And this is the beginning of my journey. I'm going to have some facial rejuvenation done. I'm so excited. I'm gonna get a little bit off of the jowlies here, a little bit off of the waddle, pull things up a little bit. Also talking about doing some great laser treatments. Just gonna make everything look about 10 years younger, very well rested. It's gonna be a journey, and I'm so glad you're here with me. So let's talk a little bit about the facial rejuvenation.
Well, Susie, you have absolutely gorgeous facial bone structures, but all that's happened as you've gotten into your mid to late 40s is that the tissue has slid off the bones a little bit. We're going to just snug up under the neck a little bit in the lower and mid face. Just very gentle, very nice, and just get everything freshened up. And some of these procedures that we do in a younger age group, such as Susie, it's very common. I mean, Madonna reportedly has had facial rejuvenation in her 40s, as have many of the Hollywood types. I would say in America, the average age for facial rejuvenation might be mid-50s to late 50s, but certainly in late 40s is a very good time to start because it's not so dramatic, it's just a little freshening type of procedure. Hello, Susie. How are you? Don't you look fabulous?
I feel so good. Thank you so much.
You look like a supermodel.
It's totally amazing. I can't believe that it's only been 6 days.
5 days.
5 days.
Today is post-op day 5.
Wow.
Well, a patient after surgery should look like they really haven't had surgery. They should look natural, refreshed, vacationed. A facelift shouldn't appear too tight. Nasal surgery shouldn't appear as if it's been done. Just a natural, beautiful look is what we really strive to achieve.